The Singer 29-4 industrial sewing machine in working condition, up for auction. Serial number is printed here. Looks like it's G1184560. Again, this is a 29-4. Good working condition. Does work well with the treadle. Bobbin. Pop this down. Put the needle up. Bobbin in good condition. Here are the pictures for more up-close details on this antique but yet still working Singer 29-4 industrial sewing machine. Thanks very much for looking. It's for local pickup only in the Maryland area, zip code 21204. I can ship, but it's not going to be part of the auction. Thanks for looking at this Singer 29-4.